Hi everyone, my name is Katie and I currently live in Charlotte, North Carolina. I'm originally from Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and I moved down here a little over a year ago. So I'm still trying to get used to all the weather changes down here, as well as having people get used to my very thick Wisconsin accent. I graduated in 2016 from the University of Wisconsin-La Crosse, and I have my bachelor's in biology and biomedical science. Throughout undergrad, I was on the pre-veterinary track, and after graduation, I worked in the veterinary field for a little over a year, but I just realized that it wasn't the right fit for me. So I became interested in a career as a physician assistant. This April, I will start the application process to PA programs, and my top choice would be Wingate University, which is right outside of Charlotte. I am taking this course as a prerequisite for that program. I currently work as a clinical assistant and operating room circulator at a private practice that's owned by a double board certified plastic surgeon. I stay very busy at that job, working between 40 and 50 hours per week. And outside of work and school, my main hobbies include being outdoors, so I love exploring new hiking trails. It's not uncommon for me to take a day trip on the weekends to the Asheville area to hike the mountains, and that area is absolutely beautiful. So if any of you are in the North Carolina area, I recommend checking it out. I also have a 10-month-old puppy named Finley who keeps me on my toes. We love going for walks in the Charlotte area and discovering new trails, as well as new dog parks, which they have many wonderful ones down here. I have all the squeaker toys and other things hidden from him, so he won't make a guest appearance in these videos, but I can't make any promises on that, so I apologize. I look forward to getting to know all of you better throughout this course, and I hope you have a wonderful night.